Hey, what's up fellow explorer of the internet? It is your friendly neighborhood T-Now Motor here, and today we are diving deep into the world of automotive care. Now, we all love our car, right? But let's face it, they can get pretty dirty, especially when you are on the road or dealing with Mother Nature. That's why today we are going to put a popular product to the test. Glaco. Now, if you are unfamiliar, Glaco claims to be the ultimate solution for keeping your car's glass surface crystal clear, rain or shine. But here the million-dollar questions: does it really work?
So the first step, we need to clean your windshield. Make sure it is clean. So after you clean your windshield, we can start to slowly apply to your glasses. Make sure you apply it evenly.
So we are applying half here. This is the other half that we didn't apply. So we will see the difference later. So after apply, we will wait for around about 10 minutes to let it dry. Then after that, we'll wipe it up. Then we will see the result. So this is how it looks like. After 10 minutes, it will turn a little bit whitish, as you guys can see over here, a little bit whitish. So this side we apply, none. Apply, none. So the next step is using the dry cloth and wipe it up. Let's go! Okay, let's put it to a test now. Let's go! Okay, so as you guys can see, this side where we apply, it will become more smoother. Whereas this side, you see? Eee. So it do works. And remember, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow car friends. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and until next time, stay safe on the road and keep exploring.